From the flickering vacuum tubes of early computing to the silent hum of vast modern data centers, humanity's quest to build intelligent machines has been a journey of profound mystery and relentless innovation. This journey, spanning decades, has transformed our understanding of intelligence itself, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve and continuously redefining the future of technology. At its very foundation, we find Alan Turing, whose groundbreaking work in the 1950s, particularly his seminal paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in 1950, laid the theoretical groundwork for artificial intelligence. He famously proposed the Turing test, also known as the imitation game, to gauge a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human, a concept that remains central to AI discussions even today. Despite early optimism and initial excitement, the 1970s and 80s saw AI enter a period known as the AI winters. Progress stalled significantly due to severe limitations in computing power, the scarcity of large datasets, and an incomplete theoretical understanding of complex AI problems. This led to widespread disappointment, a dramatic reduction in research funding, and a general skepticism about AI's potential, effectively freezing development for years. The late 20th and early 21st centuries brought a remarkable renaissance to the field. Visionary researchers like Geoffrey Hinton, Yann LeCun, and Yoshua Bengio spearheaded the resurgence of neural networks and deep learning. They leveraged the exponential increase in computational power and the availability of vast datasets, exemplified by breakthroughs like ImageNet in 2012, to develop sophisticated algorithms, including backpropagation, which allowed neural networks to learn from errors and significantly improve their performance. A truly pivotal moment arrived in 2016 when Google's AlphaGo, an AI program, decisively defeated Go world champion Lee Sedol in a historic 5-game match. This victory, achieved through advanced reinforcement learning techniques, showcased AI's superhuman capabilities in a complex strategic game and marked a dramatic shift in public perception regarding the true potential and power of artificial intelligence. The Transformer architecture, introduced in 2017, revolutionized natural language processing, enabling the development of large language models like the GPT series. These models can generate remarkably coherent and complex text by understanding context through sophisticated attention mechanisms, which allow them to weigh the importance of different words in a sequence, leading to unprecedented breakthroughs in human-computer interaction and text generation. The years 2022 to 2023 witnessed an explosion of generative AI, fundamentally changing how we interact with technology and creativity. Tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion democratized AI creativity, making advanced capabilities accessible to millions. These platforms allowed users to generate stunning images, creative text, and even code with simple prompts, unleashing a wave of innovation and widespread adoption. Today, the frontier of AI is rapidly expanding with the emergence of multimodal AI systems. These advanced systems seamlessly combine and process different data types, such as vision, language, and reasoning, allowing AI to act as a truly creative partner. Examples include AI describing complex images with nuanced understanding, generating functional code from simple sketches, and interacting with the physical world through robotics, blurring the lines between digital and physical realms. As we stand at the precipice of this new era, profound questions arise about the very nature of AI consciousness, the ethical implications of its widespread use, the potential for significant job displacement across various industries, and the evolving dynamics of human-AI collaboration. This leaves us with a contemplative, yet uncertain, vision of what lies ahead, prompting deep reflection on our future with increasingly intelligent machines.